Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change column width in Excel. So firstly select column where you want to change width in this column. So select that column. Then in home tab you will see cells section. So click on this format drop down and here you will see option column width. So click on it. Default is 8.08. You can change this value as your requirement like 15. Then click on OK. So very simple, select that column, then in format cells column width and give your value like 33, then OK. And also guys, you can select multiple columns to change width, then format column width and give your data like 25 value for every column. So click on OK. So as we can see, selected columns are new range for width. And also guys, you can select auto. So select firstly format and here you will see auto fit column width. So click on it. That's it. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by these simple steps we can know how to change column width in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.